on my way to DC. Jesus. I'm at O'Hare Airport. This is so weird, but I'm at O'Hare Airport, and I swear every time I come through this airport, I get harassed by the boarding staff. They're always like, "Your bag is too big. Check your bag. Put it in the rack. Put it in the rack." She made me do it 3 times, guys. I did it once and my bag fit. She made me do it an additional 2 times. Such a pain. Already been delayed. Supposed to leave at 4:21, and we're just leaving about 10 minutes later, so that's not too bad. But it's snowing, so I'm hoping that's not the reason we're delayed, and I hope I don't get delayed anymore. Oh my God, guys. I'm only at gate 13 and I'm sweating. One thing I will give it to O'Hare Airport about is they have amazing restaurants in the airport. So I think I may try to grab a bite to eat before it's time to board. I've seen like 3 different food courts just traveling to my gate. So we're making money. So this is one of the smaller food courts to eat. Alright, so I finally made it to my gate. Of course, there's nowhere to sit. So that little bit of stuff I bought, guys, was $17. What was it? The fruit was $5. The pita and olives were $7. And the water, the one I grabbed, was $6. So I swapped it out for a $3 and some odd cent one. Ridiculous. Hey guys, we're about to take off. See you in DC. Hey guys, I've landed in DC. Okay, so Eric is coming around to get me. It's all discombobulated, guys. I've always come in on the same airport or the same airline, and it always lets you off at the same area, so I never even knew there was this part of the airport. So I thought I would wait inside for him to drive around. So we'll see him in a minute.
Hi.
All right, guys. Where are we? Where are we, Eric?
We're at Chasin Tails again in Falls Church, Virginia.
Okay.
Real good place.
All right. So we have, this is the sausage, andouille sausage.
Yes.
So we're about to enjoy our meal, and we'll just unveil. Look at this. Yes. Look at that, y'all. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. It smells so good. Where's the menu so we can show Chasin Tails? All right, so this is the place we're at, and we're at this place because they have a mix that doesn't have butter in it. So if you're like me and you're lactose intolerant, this is the place to come. All right? Okay, we gotta eat.
Yes.